Oh, hey, what's up? How was your day?
Good, how was yours?
It's been okay.
God, how's yours? Oh my God. What is going on? The fact that, okay.
Welcome.
Yo, what's up? Can I show you a magic trick?
Yeah.
Alright, cool. So,
What the No, cause what the What the
what's up?
Bro, sing a song. You got the mic in your hand and everything. Sing a song.
Alright, name a song.
Do you know rap?
Yeah. Do I know rap?
No.
Yes.
You know J. Cole?
Yes.
Do you listen to New York drill or no?
Yeah.
You do? Sing a New York drill song, and I would know it. I already know I'm gonna know it.
Alright, I got you. Here we go.
Anyways.
I'm bored as hell. Ooh, bald actually kind of cute on me.
What the
Bitch.
What happened?
Why is it so slippery?
Can I show you a magic trick?
Yeah.
Alright, cool. So,
Hi.
how was your day?
What'd you say?
How was your day?
What'd you say?
How is your day?
Oh, my day is horrible. I died and then I came back to life. Isn't that something? And I saw a dead body on this app.
Hey, what's up? How was your day?
Good, bro. I thought you'd.
Yo, what's up? Can I show you a magic trick?
Yeah. Oh my God. Yes, please now.
So,
You cool.
Oh.
hey, what's up? How was your day?
I hate slaves. I did not get that. Say hi to YouTube. Do that again. I missed that because I said some racist shit.
Yo. He's not frozen. He's just pretending to be frozen. I can see him bobbling his head a little bit.
Bro, what?
Hey, what's up? How was your day?
Oh, it was good. How was yours?
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Hey, what's up? How was your day?
Good. How's yours?
What was that?
Wait, no, but that actually scared the crap out of me.
What was that?
I don't know, but that's gonna be in my nightmares.
Can I show you a magic trick?
Yeah.
Alright, cool. So,
Ah! Oh, what the heck? Oh no, it's scary, it's scary. Please put your head back on, please.
Oh, hey, what's up? Can I ask you a question?
Yeah, sure. What's up?
What is your favorite topping on a pizza?
Favorite topping on a pizza is probably I like cheese, pepperoni. I really don't know how to feel about that.